Hi, in front of me is Nokia 3.4 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down and click on System, then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're currently using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. Now you can pick a color, tap on the switcher next to keyboards to turn it off or on and click Apply. But you can also download one of the images and do the same. So when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!